Nobody say anti paper ben a crowd, the fiase.
The Ghanaian publisher will have papers in the Nina about Ghanaian Times, Daily Guide, Daily Graphic, Nina, I was saying.
Right.
Now, the Ghanaian publisher, the big one anymore, was it 2024 is do or die affair. Mahama declares. Yeah, commandino.
Yeah. I do or die. I'm also crabby. Do I'm also crabby. I'm also crabby.
Do or die.
Said do or die being chair or die be dead. And to do the inferno and to answer. Now, Deputy Defense Minister, for Nidaha. Na wakasa and what you said your man for because share video.
Yeah.
Then I'm saying now afari the BMRA. Afari military hospital.
Yeah.
And Penny for person we see. If you dear Modiba Jumani, the sun and the rain. No. Or so for be the chair to me at all. And what you say, yes, and if you didn't do a wanting no mum. A fidi on betting team na bontain.
Okay.
And yet there was a quad down in Mundi, when you be a contractor, no? A Jayagua bontain said, O man for be air cannon. Ghana man penny and another Danko Kufuato. The Ghanaian publisher him. Was it Ghana's economy doing well? Next was a Ghana, Yatsani above Muno.
Yeah.
Now, John Bodu Swakasa, MPP for one truffle.
Yeah.
Was a man penny that day. Debbie was a pot calling kettle black. Aye, pot calling kettle black.
Oh, sir.
2016 was said an amount for seeing wrestle or may you move. 2021. How many years in ye? If you know, confiance in so. Now, because economy in Koye. John Body said there be my penny down Comrade
Uncle Ye.
What's one Comrade? Now, this is the best economy in the Fourth Republic.
Politics. Obia, buy and this is what buy the economy. Best. MVP about best.
MPP force should give us a break with. First 4 years, near to say with Mahama, Mahama, say. We are in the next 4 years. They should give us a slack on that. Mahama did this, Mahama did that. Then your man in the previous government in 2016, you change it.
No, okay.
So we would agree if the first 4 years, Mama announced some Mahama ye way, and a Mahama and tea, and a discount down tea, and until near trouble, man was said, on Quatrana Matwaso. First 4 years we can forgive them, but some 4 years, okay. Some Mahama did this, Mahama did that. Oh, yes, Rom.
This year, I'm pedamaz.
Times do Bokrata any Hasei. Ghana Mampenia Kasa. The big one was Ghana's FDI increases despite COVID-19 precedent. Now, Shanim Hasei, Mr. Yofi Grant, what he has said be.
Yeah.
See what the IPC. And now Ghana Mampany heavy. And now Kojo Pon Cromanso et Hasei. Now, Nina a GIPC. And 2021. I said, the Brano, they are now Afibio Mudi Jumedianum. Now, when I move to the says, pack up a summit.
Yeah.
Now, when I got a man, you didn't say much again what you said. So, when you're Quenya, now be a Juma, say you feed the Juma, and I said, you may be an old from my Hodwaso. Now, when you're Quenya, the bassets now, or may you will now be a Juma.
Yeah.
Yaman in your corner. Now, we shall win Yanum Saka, one say, one, my Hodwaso, no woman who said Ghana has said no.
Right.
Opportunities were her. A job may be a Juma, Sabia, Bruno, my son, or my man, you don't ain't you been yet? Yeah. You can't cross to do. It's the Sonia Quenya baby, Edma or May more. Then Suban Peddi, after one I'm Saquanian and so at one crama one more. A one man who was super baby, I almost see a beer Juma say. Ghana is the best.
Right.
And was Sadia to just a COVID in no. Say, yes, dear, your friend say. Foreign direct investment opportunities. Foreign direct investment opportunities. Akosro pa COVID in Emuno. Akosro ntino Ghana sa pepe na etie e ha say.
I know the best story so mama ko adomonline.com. In fact, I know ko adomonline.com as stories in vagina ho ne kan ni nyina. Now story number 1, you say 5 ways to make your vagina smell good. But you're the big one, adomonline.com. In fact, call her manity to Monko to make your vagina smell good.
And I said, manity to my money in Uncle Kaino Munchre man.
Okay. Me be any makai. My educate. Yeah. I wanna yanko for quick commercial break. Yeah, but Adom Sports Page 1. But other stories say one hustle. I say woman gives birth to her own nephew after becoming surrogate mom for her sister. And also cocaine sexually transmitted infections fall during pandemic. And also quick commercial break. Adom Sports Page 1 here.